But in the meantime, we've got our next guest. We've got Drew here from Nexidia. Drew, thank you for coming on.
Thank you for having me.
You're most welcome. Now, we haven't spoken before, I don't think.
I don't believe so.
This is a first
I haven't
time.
had the pleasure.
No. For those who don't know, tell us a little bit about Nexidia.
Sure. Nexidia is a company that was founded in 2000, based out of technology that came out of Georgia Tech University in Atlanta. The core technology for the company is the ability to search spoken word content in audio and video. We apply that to 4 key market segments: speech analytics, media and entertainment, legal, and government.
And so the idea is behind this is that you can scan a piece of material for keywords, for example, that people are saying, draw statistics from that. How would you use it? How would you use this technology?
You know, to frame it at a high level, I'd say it's Google for audio.
Right.
Right. So I can sit at an interface and type in and say, find me any media file with these words and phrases, or combinations of words and phrases, and then present those to me, and then show me where those things were said in the audio and video.
Right.
And the use case is that there's often, people now understand that they can store effectively their media at scale in a media asset management or production asset management system. And but there's often insufficient metadata. You know, audio and video is this opaque data type. Dialogue is present in almost every form of video and program type. So how do you effectively search it? How do you find it to repurpose it and use it? So that's the problem we solve.
So at the moment, a lot of people do it by physically typing in a bit of metadata against a piece, against a clip, and then that's what they're restricted on to search by, effectively. So this will allow people to search a broad range, much broader range of search criteria based on what was said. So you could, for example, if somebody wanted to find clips all about somebody who spoke about Queen Elizabeth, for example.
That's right.
In the UK, I might as well say Queen Elizabeth.
That's right.
We could search for people saying the words Queen Elizabeth.
And coronation and you know, the royal, royal baby.
Yeah. And then this will aggregate the clips together.
It does.
Show you a list of clips, and then you can choose what you. So
that's right.
As a somebody who has this content and they need to be able to search it, how does your platform, does it integrate with a system they already have, or is it a complete?
It's both.
It's both.
It's both, and so it is a software that is designed to be used on premises. It's Windows based, and it will attach to media asset management or management systems, as well as file systems, or all of the above.
Yeah.
And then it will index that media. It does that at about 100 times faster than real time per CPU core. And then once that's indexed, you can search for any word or phrase. We have an API, so you can use our interface to search it, but we also have an API that allows you to embed all of our functionality into a third-party application.
Right.
And so we've done both.
So it's not a matter of, oh, we really like this speech search recognition, but we can't actually integrate it with systems, so they can still talk to you.
That's right.
We've got a system in place, but we want to add this functionality to it. You can do it.
It's designed to augment an existing media asset management or media workflow.
Understood. So who would use this? Is this people who are searching for a piece of media that they want to play out, or is it for editors? Is it for producers?
I think we have customer examples across a very broad spectrum of the definition of media entertainment. Yeah. I'll just give you the customer list. It's Turner, it's CNN, it's T3 Media, which largest body of licensed media in the world. It's PBS, it's Cox Media. Avid licenses the technology for something called PhraseFind. So it's it's designed from the individual editor to the largest archive management for enterprise, churches, etc. Right? Broadcast news.
So, I mean, obviously, most companies, I like to think in the world, are here to make money. Is there a way that they can use this technology to improve, for example, is it monetizable? Could you monetize this
very
product?
much. It's the idea is, you were mentioning logging earlier. Yeah. We're about 1/8. At the most expensive, we're about 1/8 the cost of human logging.
Right.
We're probably 1/15 to 1/20 the cost of transcription.
Right.
So the idea is that you can search and find your media and use it and repurpose it more effectively, much more cost effectively, and have a much broader access to it.
Brilliant. Now, you're here at IBC. I'm going to test you now, see if you can tell me what booth you're at, whereabouts your stand is.
Sure, we're in Hall 3, A46.
I'm very impressed, Drew. That's great. And if people want to come and see you, obviously they can come and see you at your stand here.
Yes.
We're obviously live to the world at the moment. Some people will actually not be in Amsterdam. If they want to find some more information about this, they're interested in the technology, what's your website?
Nexidia.tv. So it's nexidia.tv.
Drew, thank you very much for coming and explaining to that. It's much appreciated. Very interesting technology. If you want to have a look and you're in Amsterdam, I'll say it again, they're in Hall 3 and it is A46, or of course have a look at their website and find out more and see how you can integrate it into your systems.